Hello friends, today we are going to start a C++ programming, and before starting let me give you some introduction regarding C++ language. Uh, C++ language is the extension of the C language, and it is the language that actually provides the facility of object-oriented programming. So when we talk about object-oriented programming, then we actually talk about the classes and methods and the objects. So object-oriented programming language has many advantages that it is quite easy to understand, and one of the best feature of object-oriented programming language is that it provides the reusability. Code is very clean, and it is quite easy to understand, and can be used many times. So it actually saves a lot of time. That is why object oriented programming language is getting popular day by day, and it is the most advanced approach. So C++ language is one of the most popular language that a lot of features actually are provided this C++ language. So today we are going to actually start with a very basic program in C++, which will actually print the hello world. Currently I am using the dev C++ software, which is a 5.11 version, which you can use for programming in C++. Other tools are available which you can actually use for programming the C++ language. Like you can use the Eclipse as well, and you can use the other softwares. So let us start with the first program. I click the file and then click the source file. One of the very basic and one of the very first thing which you will do is that you will actually include the header file. So in order to include the header file, we shall write hash include, and then in the angular brackets we shall write IO stream. Okay, after this what we are going to do, we have to actually add the namespace. So we write using namespace std. So here actually std means standard. So we are using the standard namespace, and I'm going to tell you about this hash include IO stream, that we are actually adding the IO stream header file, which actually deals with the input and output. So like in C++, what we are going to display on the screen with the help of cout, and we are going to input with the help of keyboard by using the cin, and displaying some error messages with the rr, and also with the c log. Okay, so then what we do here, we write integer. This is the main function. We write return 0 here. So in this program we are going to actually display the message cout. Then you have to provide the insertion operator, and this actually will in double quotation we are going to print a message hello world. So let us compile this and save this file as hello underscore world dot cpp. Okay, so it says that there are zero errors and zero warnings, and compilation time is 6.88 seconds. All right. Now let us execute this. So it is displaying the message hello world. So this is the very first and the basic program in C++. So in this you have actually learned how to actually display the message, and with the help of this C out statement. So what you will do, you will just write hash include istream, then using namespace std, then the main function, and inside the main function, whatever you are going to actually display, you will use C out, and the insertion operator, and in double quotation the string which we are going to display on the screen, and you have to actually give this terminator. Uh, if you have only one line, then there is no need. But if there are more than two one lines, then you have to separate these lines with the help of this terminator. Okay, then return 0, and this is the simple program which you will do it yourself. So hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much.